Whether you're backstage
or behind the wheel,
behind the bar,
or on top of your game,
Sin City just can't be beat.
So come on down and take a peek
on House Hunters Las Vegas Week.
Lori and Anthony moved their rowdy crew to Vegas just 2 years ago. Now they're looking to plant roots in this dry desert town.
This is Las Vegas. We have arrived.
But can they up their space without breaking the bank or anything else?
It's gotta stay!
Find out next when House Hunters comes to Las Vegas.
Located in the Nevada desert, Las Vegas is home to 20 of the world's 24 largest hotels. And it's a place where you can get a gourmet meal at 3 a.m. or get married 24/7. For half a century, Las Vegas was just a vacation destination. Now people are moving here by the boatload, including Chicago transplants Anthony Ellerby and his fiancée, Lori Jones.
Who's the champ at Slapjack?
Me.
These postal workers transferred to Vegas for the warm, sunny weather. Now, 2 years later, the blended family feels right at home. Jamar and Anthony Jr. are Anthony's two boys, while Sydney is Lori's little girl.
Vegas is so much more family-oriented than we thought.
Together, the family of 5 has been renting a 3-bedroom apartment in Henderson, just outside of Vegas.
Oh, hi, Lori. How are you?
Helping them make their move is real estate agent Michael Bondi.
They are looking for a house under $300,000 that will be at least 3 bedrooms or more. Anything below 285, 290, even in a buyer's market, is still unrealistic for the amount of square footage that they want in home features. So I've been targeting homes that are in the 315 to 320 price range or below, but there's always room for negotiation.
Lori sees the ups and downs of house hunting.
It's gotta stay!
While Anthony just wants to sit down.
I could get used to this.
And if that's not enough to bring out a bid,
I got a surprise for you guys over here.
Stay tuned.
You know, in poker, you're always looking for those little things your opponent does to tell you what they might be thinking. Now, Anthony, he's a quiet guy, so he's kind of hard to read. So if you want to figure out this house hunt, Lori is the one to watch. Coming up.
Okay, Michael, what else do you have for us?
the couple's search for space turns up a big problem.
Why don't you like the tile?
Towel should be for the kitchen.
And an even bigger problem.
It's too short.
Stay tuned.
So far, Anthony and Lori have seen a 4-bedroom place that's slightly above their budget. They've also seen a more affordable 3-bedroom that's close to their work.
Coming up.
Vegas is a buyer's market, and this couple's ready to take advantage.
We're basically coming in about $10,000 below the listing price.
Did they gamble on the faux front yard? The one with the backyard built to bounce? Or the place that caused the flooring fight?
Towel should be for the kitchen.
Park it there. We'll be right back.
Hi there, I'm Christina, one of the Jubilee showgirls here at Bally's Las Vegas. The best part of the show is the grand finale. It's when you pull out all the stops. Well, we're almost to the grand finale of Lori and Anthony's search. I love this part. So which one did they choose?
We chose the house with the 3 bedrooms and the bonus room.
It was convenient to our job. We love the backyard, that it doesn't back up into another yard. We love that house.
Come on, y'all, come on in.
2 months later, Lori, Anthony, and the kids are all settled in.
Since we moved here, our lives are just so much better. There's so much more space. We're not cramped up. We love it.
We love it. When we bought the house, it was move-in ready. So basically, only thing we've done since we've been here is put the couch in. We changed the kitchen light.
That's a dining room.
And we also
Basically, they're trying to pull off a balancing act. House Hunters Las Vegas. Yeah, I'll go like... Ooh! That's mine. Don't anybody steal that move.